So once you have created your video, the next thing we want to do is really focus on what keywords should we be targeting for that video to perform well in the YouTube algorithm. So we're going to cover certain prompts that can help you figure out what keywords you want to focus on for that video. So one example is to just ask ChatGPT for certain keywords that people would search. So in my prompt, I told ChatGPT what I made a YouTube video about. In this example, it's to remove a strip screw. And then I said, can you suggest 10 keywords that people would search on YouTube for that would be good for my period to appear for? And the reason why I'm doing this instead of just saying, what are 10 good keywords, is whenever it's 10 good keywords, ChatGPT doesn't know that what you're really looking for is to SEO or even necessarily the best to SEO. So I specifically want keywords that people are going to type, and then I would be able to appear for that. So it gave me 10 keywords here: how to remove a strip screw, screw extractor tools, DIY screw removal, screwdriver tips and tricks, broken screw removal. These are things that people may be searching for that need to find your video on how to remove out a stripped screw. Now, you don't necessarily need to try and optimize for all of these, but I would say finding 3 to 5 really good ones that you want to optimize your video for is a good idea. Now, as a second example to be able to find your keywords, I'm going to use video captions. So for me, I use Descript to edit all of my videos, and that automatically gives me the captions for it. And I will leave a link to ChatGPT and Descript in the class details. So what I'm going to do is open a new chat. Every time you're talking about a new video, you want to open up a new chat so that it's not pulling the previous information into the new chat. And I'm going to ask it something very similar. So what you can see I did here is I literally just pasted in my caption from this particular video. And up at top, my prompt was, can you suggest 10 keywords that people would search for on YouTube that the below video captions would be a good search result for? So what I got is this particular video is about 4 tools that you can use to find research articles if you're a researcher. And so I got research article software. These are the 4 tools I talk about: organizing research articles, literature review tools, citation management tools, and even efficient research techniques. Again, these are really good ideas for things that I could be using in my video title, my video description, all of those things to help it rank in search. So now that we have our main keywords, we're going to jump over and start working on our titles.